Hello, everyone, and welcome. I wanted to take a moment to connect with all of you and share something exciting. As an entrepreneur, I understand the challenges in navigating through the digital landscape, marketing, visibility, and revenue. These are all important of the success of your business in this competitive world. But here's the thing. I have been exploring some incredible advancement in technology that has the power to transform the way we do business. Imagine having access to cutting-edge software that streamlines your marketing efforts. It enhances your presence online. It boosts your revenue, all while saving time and money. Whether you need help with landing pages, websites, video production, graphic design, or any content creation, I've got you covered. But it's not just about the service I provide. It's about empowering you to succeed. It's about giving you the tools and resources you need to thrive in today's digital world. So, if you're ready to level up your marketing game, if you're ready to unlock your full potential as an entrepreneur, then let's connect. Thank you for watching, and remember, the future of your business starts today. Thank you. It's go time. Peace and love.